What's up, YouTube? It's Jasmine Jazzy B, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another YouTube video, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are not new, thank you for stopping by and watching another one of my YouTube videos. This YouTube video will be about hair and more hair, okay? So if you are loving these curls and these inches, make sure you continue on watching to see how I achieved this look. Guys, so I'm starting off with braids, and I made a section. I parted a section for my leave out so that I can blend this hair in with my U-part wig. So these are my braids, and this is my leave out. And these braids are like a week or two old because I've been wearing a different U-part wig to work, and I'm just not going to re-braid my hair. I'm going to keep the same braids in, and I'm just going to tie them up, you know, so they won't hang out of my wig. So I'm just putting it in a little bun. Yeah, so this is my U-part wig. This is the box that it came in. Here's the wig. It came with a wig cap. I won't be using this. And it came with like some wig clips. And this wig is 22 inches and 180% density. And the color is natural black. So we're gonna check this hair out. So here's how it looks. 22 inches of beautifulness. This is the wig. And you have to like cut this part off. So I will be cutting this off. Alright, I'll be right back because I gotta find my scissors. Okay, I'm back and I found my scissors. So I will be cutting off this little lace net thingy majiggy off. So here's how the inside look. Here's how the inside looks. It has clips up at the top and it has little combs on the side. But I will be cutting this little lace part. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut it. I usually wear lace front wigs, and I'm just like, I'm dying to have like a natural looking type of wig. So I'm like, let me try a U-part wig. That way I don't have to do a sew-in. I can take it on and off as I please, and you know, just switch it up. So let me try a U-part wig for a more natural flare. So I cut the lace off. I actually need to cut it a little bit more. I did a horrible job at cutting this, but I'll be right back. I have to finish cutting the lace off. Okay guys, so I cut the lace off at the top, and now I'm ready to, you know, put this bad boy on. So I'm gonna clip it up here and swing it around here. Okay. And I'm so weird when it comes to putting half of wigs on because I'm so anal about my edges that I don't like to put the clips on my edges. So I literally just clip it right here at the top. So I put a clip at the top, and I put the combs on the side. On each side it has a comb, so I just put the combs on the side, and I like put like maybe 1 or 2 bobby pins on the side to make it more secure. But I will not clip these clips right here on my edges because I feel like it's too rough. Like I don't want clips, you know, on the edges of my hair. Like there's a very fine and very, you know, fragile part of your hair is your edges. So I don't want to put the clips on my edges. I never put the clips on my edges. So yeah, I just put the combs in and I put some bobby pins to secure it. Bobby pin. So, you know, secure it. Because listen, edges are precious and I don't have time to be edgeless. Okay. And then it's like a clip in the back. And you can just, you know, put that clip in. Okay. Okay, so this is how I like want it parted. So I have my bumpers on my flat iron. And I'm gonna straighten it.
Guys, it's on the beat.
So yeah. Okay, and to make sure that my bang stays in place, I put a bobby pin on the side so it doesn't come from behind my ear, you know. I swear, like, side bangs is definitely a trend right now. So like, I feel like everybody is definitely doing their little side bang, ponytail, side bang, two ponytails. Side bang is like a 90s inspired hairstyle, but I always do it because my bang is my life, okay? But yeah, so this is kind of basically I got hair on my face. Okay, so this is basically the finished look. I'm just gonna, you know, play with it a little bit more today so it can blend in with my real hair better. I think the bang blends in pretty well because I feel like my real hair kind of looks fake when I like have it straightened. I don't know, because it's so shiny and I guess kind of thick that when I do straighten it, it kind of does look kind of fake sometimes. So people think that it's not my hair, but I'm like, it's mine. But yeah, this is the finished look, so I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, you know. But yeah, this is 22 inches and it's cute. But yeah, this is the finished look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the finishing looks of my U-part wig, and let me know if I slayed it or whatever. Okay, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.